Miss Jenny M. Alipio, dynamic teachers and staff, our dear parents, fellow graduates, a pleasant morning and welcome to the second recognition rites, fifth moving up and first graduation ceremony of Young Tycoons Academy of Tarlac Incorporated for school year 2023-2024. The most significant event in a student's life is none other than graduation, and since it is the end of this stage in our education, it brings us a mixture of joy and pain. Joy for reaching our goals, and pain for saying goodbye to the people who became part of our lives. My fellow graduates, we are about to reach high school. We must enjoy the 6 years of our lives in order for us to reach our goals of graduating high school and finally college. Our alma mater, Young Tycoons Academy of Tarlac Incorporated, taught us the values that we need in order for us to face our future without fear. We would like to thank those who worked hard in organizing this well-prepared event. Our graduation is even more memorable because you have spent time and effort to ensure that we will have a meaningful ceremony. Thank you, dear teachers, for the knowledge you have given us and all the lessons you have shared with us. Thank you, dear parents, for working hard to give us a good education. We are happy that you are here with us today because this is a milestone for us. And most of all, thank you God for all your blessings. And so my dear parents, honored guests, in behalf of the graduating class, it is my pleasure to welcome you to witness the year's graduation ceremony. Very soon we shall march on this stage one by one as we receive our awards and diplomas. Classmates, fellow graduates, I wish you all good luck for the coming years in our lives. May the years to come be kind to all of us, and may God and His wisdom bless us with success. Thank you very much. Once again, welcome and have a good day to everyone.
Thank you, Princess, for your heartening words of welcome. Now, we celebrate the hard-earned success